Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Today we'll continue with the chapter number 8, that is measurement. And our today's topic is problem based on real life situations. So we'll solve some problems here. Okay? We'll solve some problems of length, weight and capacity. So look at this exercise. This is page number 145 and exercise 8G. So the question number 1 is, students, we have already done the problem based question in our previous chapters also. So this will the same. Okay. So look at the first question, that is a boy weight 48 kg 550 gram. A box of apples weighing 13 kg 880 gram was put on his shoulders. The boy with this box was weighed again. How much would his weight be now? So, what we'll do in this problem? Look at the last sentence, that is, how much would his weight be now? So, we have given here two weight. So we have to find out the total weight, means how much means हमें निकालना है कितना. The boy weight is there and after the box of apple weight is also there, so we have to find out the total weight. It means that we need to add. Fine. तो हमें इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. So we'll solve this question here with this statement. Okay. Now here we'll write, first of all we'll write word problem. This is short form of word problem. Fine student? Okay. Now state with the solution we'll solve it here. The first statement is, first we'll write solution. Okay. A boy weight is equal to 48 kg 550 gram. Okay. Now a box of apples weight is equal to 13 kg and 880 grams. So we have to find out the total weight. Total weight. So we need to add. Now we'll write here kg and gram. So in the kgs column we have 48 and here 550. Now next is 13, here 880. Now we'll add together. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 13. We'll write here 3. 1 carry over there. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry over there. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. We'll write here 2 and 1 carry over there. 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Now the total weight of the boy is 62 kg and 430 gram. So the last statement will write, thus the total weight of the boy is 62 kg and 430 gram. Fine. So like this, we'll solve our problem-based questions. Let's take one more question. A shopkeeper has 100-meter cloth in his shop. He sells 35 centimeter in one day. How much cloth is left in the shop now? So look at the question carefully. A shopkeeper has 100-meter cloth. उसकी दुकान में 100-meter cloth है shopkeeper की. He sells 35 centimeter and 35 meter and centimeter. Both. Same. Okay. Now what we have to find out? The left cloth. बचा हुआ कपड़ा हमको निकालना है. So it means that left. The word is left. We need to subtract. इस प्रॉब्लम में हम क्या करेंगे? हम subtract करेंगे. So as previous, we'll write first the statement. Now we'll write first solution here. We'll write a shopkeeper has is equal to cloth, 100-meter cloth. Okay. He sells is equal to 35 meter and 35 centimeter cloth. Fine. So left cloth, we have to find out left cloth is equal to, we'll write in the write the numbers in the column of meter and centimeter. So first we have 100 and here centimeter we have nothing. Second 35 and in the place of centimeter again 35. In 100 meter we have 0 centimeter. So we'll write here 0. Now we'll subtract both the numbers. Here we have 5 and here we have 0. 0 is smaller than 5, so we can't subtract. It will go to this one. It will also go to this one because it is also 0. Now it will goes to this one. It is also 0. It will goes to this one. It is also 0. So it will take 1 borrow from this side. It will give 1 to this one. It will become 10. And here it will become 0. Now this 10 will give this 0. It will become 10. And here it is 9. Now this 10 give 1 to this one. It will become 10. And here this is 9. This 10 will give this one. It will become 10. And this will become 9. Fine. Now we can easily subtract. Here 10. Here 5. Subtract 5 from 10. We'll get here 5. And 3 from 9. We'll get 6. And 5 from 9. We'll get here 4. And 3 from 9. We'll get here 6. So 64 meter and 65 centimeter cloth is left in the shop. Understood, students? So in the last statement we'll write, thus 64 meter and 65 centimeter cloth is left in the shop. Okay. Like this, you will solve your worksheets. Fine. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.